Let's make SQL query. SQL is equal delete from pairs where ID is equal question mark. This time we are not going to pass any parameter here. We are going to pass only the question mark. Afterward, prepare the statement. We are going to make a variable statement PDO prepare SQL. Below there, let's copy this bind param. We want to bind this param id num, declare the variable id num is 1. We want to delete. Always we need to execute our statement, so just write statement execute. That's all. Now here in bind param we have only one question mark. There will be 2 or more question marks. So for one question mark we only have one question mark, so we need to pass 1 here, and the value we set, okay, that is id num. Save it and reload the page. Now you have 2 record. You can see, reload it, still have 2 record. I think we need to change the id num to 3 because we don't have id 2. Okay, reload it. At first we need to reload this page, afterward reload PHP MyAdmin. Now we can see we have only one record. Let me show you if we have more than one record, actually more than one question mark. Let's copy this execute. Let's copy this update query, copy this and paste it below here with double quotation mark, and it will be SQL is equal, let's make it comment. Now here the ID will be a question mark, it will be question mark. Let's make this on question mark, this as a question mark. Now we need to change all of them. To change it, let's make it, let's copy them and paste it below here, and ID is 4 now because we want to change the record of ID 4. Here first param is for this question mark, this is I. Copy and paste it below 3 more times. Let's change it to 2. 2 mean the second question mark, 3 mean the third question mark, 4 mean the fourth question mark. Let's change it here. ID name, we have name variable in here, name is misspelled, name club ID num, that's okay. Save it once again, reload the page. You see we have only one record with Cristiano Ronaldo. Reload this page, we have Kylian Mbappe and club is PSG. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.